Most of you don't even realize that the actions that you're taking are actually ruining your appearance or making you look worse. I'm going to give you a great example of this. It's so simple, subliminal, you probably don't even think about it. You're not dressing for the occasion. Most of you, when there's a special occasion, will pull up in a subpar outfit, and now you've pretty much set the tone of who you are as a person. You've downgraded yourself compared to everyone else who's dressed up, which is why I've always told you it's always better to be a little bit overdressed than underdressed. Most of you still don't understand that your clothing is important and you're not wearing the right clothing for the right situation to help you excel, whether that's on a first date or on your first day at a job. Whatever you're doing, you need to wear the right clothing to send the right message. Number 2, you're overweight. If you're constantly eating, you cannot control how much you consume, and you live a sedentary life and are refusing to work out, you're going to make your appearance look worse. It's no deniable fact. There could be a fat positivity movement all day long, but you still won't change people's perception. You're not going to change what people intrinsically like. They might be nicer to you in person, but the reality is a woman will never like you if you're overweight. Not to mention, dressing better becomes increasingly harder. Clothing options minimized because most brands design clothes for athletic or slim builds. And then on top of that, the clothes that you do get is from like the big and tall store, and it's out of style. So it's like a double negative. You have to get in the gym. You have to start eating better. And look, I was actually talking about this. If you want a good motivator, start with what you're wearing. A good way to kind of like motivate yourself to get into the gym, get clothes that actually boost your performance or makes you feel like wanting to go to the gym. When I get new fitness gear, I'm trying to go to the gym the next day. I'm trying to see how the muscles will be looking. I want to see just how much movement I can get out of certain shorts, or if I buy new sneakers, the first thing I want to do is go running. If you want a great way to motivate your way into the gym, you gotta check out Essentials, bro. We just dropped a whole line of fitness gear about a few weeks ago, including our new quarter zips, our new shorts, even our new workout hoodie, all in efforts to not only make you look as good as possible, but also motivate you to step into the gym, into the new year with new gear that makes you look great. Because, hey, look, you never know. One of the best spots to meet a new girl is at the gym, because you know she's fit, you know you guys have something in common. It's pretty much a kickoff. So I'm trying to make you look good and motivate you to get your ass into the gym. And if you guys want to check out our new collection, it'll be linked down below. And here's the best part. You can buy each one individually if you want. But if you buy all 3 pieces together as a bundle, which I'll link down below, that's the new quarter zip, the new fitness hoodie, and the new shorts, I'm going to give you 25% off to make it as affordable as possible and kickstart the year. 3, you're not getting enough sleep. This deteriorates your appearance. You get the dark eye circles. You look tired. You're drained from energy. Your confidence is on low. You have to understand that the best thing you can do to look better is adding hours to your sleep. The more you sleep, the more you give your body and your mind time to recover. Your muscles, your skin, your brain. So all of this together, you become a more confident person. Your skin is more resilient. Your muscles become larger. This is when growth hormone production is at its highest. Sleeping more is the best thing you can do. And this is what a lot of people always ask me, Jose, why do you wear 2 watches? This is actually a fitness tracker, and the main reason I use it is to track my sleeping. I want to make sure I'm fully recovering every night, because it'll be the best thing you can do for yourself. Number 4, you hide behind your phone. Because you have no personality, or you lack confidence or charisma or whatever it is, you tend to hide behind your phone, which deteriorates your appearance in 2 ways. 1, nobody can see your face. 2, you become unapproachable. So now, even if you were the most attractive guy, you wear the right clothing for the right situation, your smell is on point, you're looking as attractive as possible, the moment you hide behind your phone, you just told everyone else in the room you're too busy, no one's going to approach you, no one's going to pay attention to you, and more importantly, you're hiding your face. You're using that as a crutch. You need to grab that phone, put it in your pocket, ignore it, force yourself to not touch that thing, and to have to engage with people. The more you connect, the more positive connections you have with other people, the more likable and attractive you'll become as a person. Plus, you're going to work out that charisma muscle. You're going to start building that confidence up. This takes me to number 5. You have a nerd neck because you keep hiding behind your phone. See, the habit of constantly being on your computer or on your phone or on your tablet, it literally has you building a nerd neck where the top of your back is rounding off and your head is pushing forward. This is not natural, not to mention it's painful, but more importantly, it's deteriorating your appearance. You look shorter, you look distorted. You need to understand your head needs to be right on the top of your spine. This is your best stance. This is when you look most confident. Your chest is out, you look tall, but more importantly, you add structure to your face and chin area so you look more attractive. And finally, number 6, you're not using sunscreen or a baseball cap. Pick one. If you don't have sunscreen, at least grab a baseball cap. You have to understand, every day you choose to not use sunscreen is one extra day that you're adding irreparable damage to your skin that is almost difficult to fix. And then by the time you hit 35, 40, now is when you want to start doing the Botox or the skincare treatments because you're seeing the wrinkles. You want to stop time, but it's too late. You have to start when you're early. 18s, 19s, 20s, through your 20s. The younger you start, the more protection you give your skin and the more you avoid the sun damaging your skin so you look as young as possible.